too fast. What is happening, everyone? This is Angie from Carporn Racing, and what we have behind me is a 2017 GTR. We're going to be installing a Liberty Walk kit on it, which is the version 1.5. This is just a chin package with a fender flare, so it's going to be a much easier and faster job to do. The car is already running our Alpha kit and our RX AccuAir air suspension setup. We have our Rodiform wheels. Kevin is overseeing everything right there. We're going to be doing all the bolt-ons for our TV show Rev. So we'll update you guys again later. We just finished day 1 of the Liberty Walk GTR build. Now we've encountered some issues with the over fender. So what's happening is the side skirt of the 2017 is very different compared to the 2015. So what we've done is we've actually did a fender cut right there. The over fender, we've cut it on the lower half, and we're gonna now follow the GTR 2017 side skirt. In between, we've already cut the steel fenders of the front and the back. We're gonna be proceeding to seal up the back fender right here. We're gonna just use some silicone. We tried to save the lip underneath so that we can hammer it up so that the seal is nice and even. In between, I really like how this black GTR looks because we've never seen a black GTR Liberty Walk ever, I think. Have you? No? So yes, I think this is the first black LB 2017 GTR that we've ever done. This has the Alpha kit already on it, but we feel like it could use a little more horsepower. Excited for this project. See you guys soon. Finally get to finish this build on the 2017 GTR. We have the car right here, and we're gonna go for a test drive. It looks so badass in black on black. We are in a 2017 Nissan GTR. And this one we have done up with a Liberty Walk kit. It's got our AccuAir RX suspension setup, and we are now filming for Rev. I'm back filming for Rev. It is season 4 and we are featuring a Nissan GTR. This is one of our clients' cars. Thank you so much for lending us the car for the feature. We started off with the build for this car. It's a 2017 Nissan GTR, and we did a Liberty Walk kit which wasn't meant for this car, so we had to retrofit it, make our own parts. So in between we did some adjustments to the side skirts and the rear skirt, along with making our own custom ducktail. Besides that, we had some minor adjustments also for fitment, just for the front. Right now we're just doing some rolling shots for the crew, and we are cruising in my old hood. Alright, we're back in the car shop and we are race prepping our Mazda Miata for the Miata Club and the Endurance Cup in the following week. Right now the Miata is on the lifter. We are going to be installing our Cusco LSD two-way. So we haven't installed this part because we didn't feel that we needed to, but yesterday when I drove the car I could feel that the car was trying to put the power down but one wheel was spinning. So definitely we're going to be changing this. After that, we're going to be replacing the brake pads, and we're going to be inspecting all the bolts because we have been tracking the car rigorously. And after that, we're going to be lightening the car completely, taking out all the things that we don't need to, trying to get some fresh pair of tires on the car, stainless braided brake lines because we have the spongy rubber pieces here. And next thing to that is for endurance, we're gonna try to detune the car so that we can join all the classes. So right now we have the team working on the car, trying to race prep everything for the weekend to come. Exciting stuff. Back to the GTR.